So we need to find the 4 second partial derivatives of the given function. So let's start by finding the first order partial derivatives, which we need to find the second order partial derivatives. So fx equals the derivative of x squared times sine of y with respect to x. So we can treat y as a constant here, so we just take out the sine of y, so it's sine of y times the derivative of x squared with respect to x. So it equals sine of y times 2x, and it equals 2x times sine of y. So this is the first order partial derivative with respect to x. Now let's find first order partial derivative with respect to y. So it's the derivative of x squared times sine y with respect to y. Here we can treat x as a constant, so we take out x squared and we get x squared times the derivative of sine of y with respect to y. The derivative of sine of y equals cosine of y, so this equals x squared times cosine of y. Well, now we will use these derivatives in order to find the second order partial derivatives. Let's start by finding fxx. So fxx equals the derivative of fx with respect to x, so it equals the derivative of 2x of times sine of y with respect to x. Here again we treat y as a constant, so we can take out sine of y. We get sine of y times the derivative of 2x with respect to x, and it equals sine of y times 2. So sine of y times 2, so it equals 2 times sine of y. So this is one of our second partial derivatives of x. Now let's find fyy. It equals the derivative of fy with respect to y. So it equals the derivative of x squared times cosine of y with respect to y. Here we treat x as a constant, so again we take out x squared. So it's x squared multiplied by the derivative of cosine of y with respect to y. And this equals, so the derivative of cosine of y with respect to y is negative sine of y, so we get negative x squared times sine of y. This is another second order partial derivative. Well, now let's find fxy. So it equals the derivative of f of fx with respect to y. So it equals the derivative of fx is 2x times sine y with respect to y. Here we treat x as a constant, so we can take out 2x and we get 2x times the derivative of sine of y with respect to y. So this equals 2x times cosine of y. And now let's find fyx. Fyx equals the derivative of fy with respect to x. So it equals the derivative of fy is x squared times cosine of y with respect to x. Here again we treat y as a constant, so we can take out cosine y. So it's cosine y times the derivative of x squared with respect to x. So this equals cosine y times 2x, so it's 2x times cosine of y. This is our last second order partial derivative.